Hopefully we're filming. We've just had another big earthquake in Christchurch. Ōtautahi. And it was a goodie. Probably bigger than the first one. We've got breakages everywhere. My computers are everywhere. There's shit for miles. We've got cracks up on the ceiling. And outside, a liquefaction happening. And here on the street, it's just pissing out from under the fence. It's just the ground is letting its water up. This is just outside our house. And the road is shitting itself. Bits of broken footpath's raised up there. Boat's still there. You survive all right? Oh, look at this bit of footpath here.
I would say we're right in the middle of it.
I'd say, what's town like?
Don't know.